maintained rooftop. Got a bad compressor, short of the ground I believe. Made sure that the power's turned off, and now we're accessing the compressor here, and today's job is going to be a replacement of this compressor right here.
Meter, I believe. We have power on. So that verifies that the original service call diagnosis was correct. We do have a shorted to ground compressor, and now we'll take the steps to replace it. Cut the suction and discharge lines as close to the compressor as we can for a better rehook when we set the new one in. So go ahead and undo that easy.
A little bit of hail damage here.
Now, to prepare the piping and prevent any, or at least a little bit of a risk, reduce the chance of extra shavings or dirt or anything getting into the system, sand your tubing ahead of time. And my, how nice it is to remove the cover. Have good access. And replacing a compressor. Not many times do you get to get inside one in the unit, but it does have its advantages.
Ready?
Yep, up to the unit. And right here.
We're bolting in the new compressor right now. We've got our lines cut and prepped, and then we're going to start fitting it back together.
Nitrogen and trying to get our welding.
Raising in the filter.
Situations where you're close to insulation and stuff, if you can, you want to try to keep your heat tip pointing away from the flammables and try to get your solder to draw to your flame. And if I do that for you, then you are assured to have a good weld. Always direct your heat toward the body of the female side of the fitting of the welding to ensure your solder pulls in that direction.
we're checking everything with the mirrors. Make sure all our welds are good.
It's always a good idea to do this before you unwrap all your coolant rags, just in case you have to go back and touch something up.
I don't know what to say. I said everything.
You should have been filming 5 minutes ago, Ryan.
Maybe I'll show my belly.
That's on there. Alright, well they pressure tested it.
Yep,
Everything looks good. So we're going to unhook her and put the vacuum pump on it.
Yeah, it
And
actually
start
went
pumping
out.
it down full of vacuum. Alright, we got the vacuum engagement. Just buttoning everything up. Alright, we're adding the refrigerant.
Yippity yip.
Almost done. About 5 pounds to go. Alright, here's the finished product. All back together. Compressor. Now we just gotta load all our tools back down.